Hi guys, it's me again, your lakwacherang sikmit, and welcome to another mini vlog. Today, I'm excited to share one of the most memorable adventures I had with my boyfriend, our ATV ride in Cagsawa. Sobrang perfect nito for us kasi we are both nature lovers and honestly, hindi talaga kami mahilig sa malls. Wala lang, di lang talaga namin feel yung vibe. Mas gusto namin yung ganito, being outdoors and experiencing this kind of stuffs. What made it even better, we got this ride for 50% off. Sobrang sulit, diba? Minsan mo lang kasi yun makita na naka 50% off sila. When we got there, the view of Mayon volcano was so gloomy. Abay, may topak ang panahon. Sakto, ito lang yung free schedule namin together kasi thesis days na namin nito. Graduating era. Parang postcard din yung dating. Kahit papano, we geared up with helmets then started our ride. Sakto, may taga-video. Kaya nakuhaan. Grabe, the trail was a mix of rocky paths and river crossings. Barasa ba naman yung palda? Ay, sorry, nagpalda po kasi hindi naman kasi unexpected na mag-ATV eh. Perfect talaga kaya sobrang thrilling. Medyo nakakakaba sa una kasi baka bumalintok ako sa pag-drive pero as we went along, I just couldn't stop smiling. Nagawa pa namin dito magkwentuhan. The adrenaline rush, the fresh air, and the amazing scenery, it's like a perfect escape from usual hassle. After the ride, we spent some time near the iconic Cagsawa. Standing there with Mayon, ang ganda talaga ng lugar, lalo na when you think about it na malapit ka lang. Alam mo, mababalik-balikan mo. Nag-picture taking din kami. Of course, how we could not. This whole experience reminded me na sometimes the best moments aren't found in material things, but in adventures and memories we create with the people we love. So if you're looking at something exciting to do, I highly recommend trying an ATV ride here in Cagsawa. Hindi ka magsisisi for sure. That's it for now guys. See you on our next vlog.